Immaculate corner residence with golf views and enclosed balcony, 1,651 square feet offered by meticulous snowbird owners. This beautifully renovated corner residence is truly move-in ready. Thoughtfully updated and impeccably maintained, the home offers 3 bedrooms, including a versatile third bedroom currently used as a den, opening onto a spacious glass enclosed balcony. The redesigned kitchen features 2-tone cabinetry, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances, creating a bright and functional space ideal for everyday living and entertaining. Both the primary and guest bathrooms have been tastefully renovated, and the residence is finished with tile flooring throughout, smooth ceilings, and new baseboards for a clean, contemporary feel. Enjoy serene golf course views from the 250-square-foot glass enclosed balcony, perfectly suited for dining, relaxing, or hosting guests year-round. Additional highlights include remote-controlled shades in the dining room and bedrooms, extra shared under-stair storage, a newer AC compressor and water heater, and a new roof completed in 2024, with the assessment fully paid by the seller. Very gently used and exceptionally well cared for, this residence offers peace of mind, comfort, and refined Florida living.